Cleaning cloths are essential tools for keeping surfaces clean and free of dirt and grime. There are many products available to choose cleaning cloths, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best cleaning cloths from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. HomeCell Microfiber Cleaning Cloth. The HomeCell Microfiber Cleaning Cloth is perfect for cleaning delicate surfaces like worktops, windows, and cars without leaving streaks. Made of soft and lint-free polyester and nylon, these cloths won't scratch or damage surfaces. They're also reusable and durable, making them an eco-friendly alternative to paper towels. Easy to wash and safe for use on a variety of surfaces, these cloths come in a pack of 12 and make a great gift option. Plus, if you're not satisfied with your purchase, HomeCell offers a worry-free refund. Number 2. Idea Microfiber Cleaning Cloths White 50 pk. Idea Microfiber Cleaning Cloths White 50 pk are highly absorbent, fast-drying, and not easy to grow bacteria. They are soft, reusable, strong, and durable, making them easy to wash and more eco-friendly. The cloths are lint-free, scratch-free, and streak-free, leaving everything sparkling clean. They are suitable to clean everything in your home or kitchen, with or without chemical cleaners. Customer satisfaction is guaranteed. Number 3. 11-pack kitchen dishcloths. Introducing the Rachin 11-pack kitchen dishcloths, the perfect addition to your cleaning routine. These reusable dish towels are made of high-quality coral velvet, ensuring they are thick, soft, and non-stick. Measuring 10 x 6 inches, they are lightweight yet super absorbent, making them ideal for cleaning tableware, kitchen surfaces, and even bathroom fixtures. The towels are not only easy to wash, but they also maintain their excellent quality even after multiple washes. With their versatile design, these dishcloths can be used to clean various surfaces in your home, car, or office. Say goodbye to dust, dirt. Number 4. Idea Microfiber Cleaning Cloths. Idea Cleaning Cloths are ultra-soft, scratch-free, lint-free, and streak-free microfiber cloths that provide exceptional absorbency and quick drying. They are highly durable and machine washable, making them convenient and time-saving. These cloths are non-linting and fade-resistant, ensuring long-lasting use. With their eco-friendly and sustainable design, Idea Cleaning Cloths are perfect for all your cleaning needs. Whether you're cleaning surfaces, stainless steel appliances, or even your car, these cloths will prevent scratching and leave surfaces sparkling clean. Their high absorbency and quick drying feature make them ideal for multiple purposes, such as cleaning kitchen surfaces, house furniture, window glass, and cars. These cloths are a must-have for maintaining cleanliness in your home, and they are also great for the environment. Number 5. Mr.Siga Microfiber Cleaning Cloth. Mr.Siga Microfiber Cleaning Cloth is ultra-soft, highly absorbent, and lint-free. These cloths are perfect for cleaning delicate surfaces like windows, kitchenware, and cars. They can absorb water instantly without leaving streaks or lint behind. These versatile cloths can be used for cleaning dishes, removing grease and particles, and dusting silverware and glasses. They are reusable, long-lasting, and lightweight. Mr.Siga's mission is to make your housework easier.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.